Make no mistake, our Toyota Tacoma tailgates are too easy to steal. Even if you lock your tailgate, thieves can break in and untether your tailgate in just a few seconds. Replacing a tailgate with today's electronics is expensive, usually over $1,000 just for a used one. So I found a quality USA-made product that will help prevent this. Hey guys, Rich here from Tacoma Network, and today we are checking out the Bobber Cycle Gen 3 Anti-Theft Tailgate Security Bracket and Cable Retainer System, also known as the Tailgate Lock 2.0. This will fit any 3rd gen Tacoma, and this is Bobber Cycle's 3rd generation of this device. Bobber Cycle has varying versions of this system, with this being their top-end, most improved version. Now, Bobber Cycle is not your normal Tacoma accessories brand. They make all sorts of motorcycle accessories for all the big bike brands, from seats and bags to lighting and handlebars. But one of the employees must be a truck guy because they have all sorts of accessories for most truck brands. Bobber Cycle products are engineered, designed, and made in California, so you know you're getting a top quality product here. In my kit, I received a Snap It and Tag It card for all socials, a Bobber Cycle decal, the Tailgate Lock 2.0 main anti-theft bracket, Torx bolts and washers for the bracket, a T30 socket key, 2 cable retainers, Torx bolts and washers for the retainers, and a T40 socket key. I'll have a link to this kit in the video description down below. The main bracket is a work of art, fully CNC'd 6061 T6 aluminum, anodized black along with the BC logo. The cable retainers also keep the same look as the bracket, and it's nice that the kit includes all hardware and Torx keys for the install. Tools you'll need for the quick install is a 10mm socket, 3/8" ratchet, the included Torx keys, and I'm using some blue thread lock just as an added measure. Let's go outside and get these installed. The Bobber Cycle anti-theft bracket is meant to sit mounted to the side of the bed to prevent the tailgate from being lifted out, and is attached by these 2 screws. Use your 10mm socket and remove those 2 OEM screws. The bracket just sits there while I prep the 2 Torx bolts and washers with some blue thread lock. The Torx bolts provides some theft prevention, as not all thieves carry Torx tools with them. The thread lock provides a bit of resistance to removing those screws. I hand started the screws and then used a 3/8" ratchet with the included T30 Torx key to tighten them down evenly. That's literally it for the bracket. This bracket prevents your tailgate from being lifted out without removing the bracket. As for the cable bolts, you'll need the included T40 to remove the OEM bolt and install the new Bobber Cycle cable retainer. Simply remove the stock bolt and retaining bracket, a little cleanup because no one likes a dirty truck, and install the Bobber Cycle cable retainer, Torx bolt, and washer. I added some thread lock as well for resistance. The stock retaining ring will no longer fit and isn't needed any longer. Tighten this on down with the included T40 Torx key. Gotta keep the logo facing right. Now the cable can no longer be removed. Repeat this process for the cable retainer on the other side. Unbolt, add the Bobber Cycle retainer, thread lock, and tighten down. After the install, you'll have these items left over. Here's a quick before look. And just like that, although the tailgate isn't 100% theft proof, you've either slowed down the thief or made the thief rethink stealing your tailgate, and that's a win in my book. Have you had your tailgate stolen or have heard others having theirs stolen? I'd love to hear your story on down below in the comment section. As always, if you like the video, there's a button for that, and if you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe. It's free. Lastly, my name is Rich. Thanks for watching.